अस्सलाम वालेकुम। What is your name?
My name is Kashyap Noor.
What is your father name?
Asthar.
In which class do you read?
I read play class.
What is your school name?
It's school.
Tell me colors name. Colors name.
Red, blue, yellow, pink color.
Very good. Tell me fruits name.
Apple, mango, orange color.
खाना खाने से पहले की दुआ।
खाना खाने से पहले की दुआ बिस्मिल्लाह वाला बिस्मिल्लाह।
इल्म में इजाफे की दुआ।
इल्म में इजाफे की दुआ सबकी जितने इल्म।
Very good.